Yeah. Oh, Bongi, how are you?
I'm fine.
You all right? Happy today, no?
Yes.
It's a good day. I want to start with say happy birthday. Happy
Thank
birthday
you.
to you today.
Thank you.
How old are you now?
11 years old.
You're 11 years old. Okay. It's nice. No?
Yes.
I can tell your story.
Mm.
About yourself, where you're learning, yeah, real life, with your friends, with everything at school. What is
Okay. My
yeah,
name is
this,
Bominko Sikoza.
yes.
I am in grade 5B. My I attend school in Klopper Park Primary School in Gauteng.
Yes.
And I've got a lot of teachers,
Yeah.
but my class teacher is Semanyisi.
Mm-hmm.
And my friend's name is Ofense, Nyota, and Marcia.
Mm.
Those are my best friends.
Mm.
We always discuss about homework. Did you do the homework? Classwork. We help each other.
Mm. Mm. Anything about spare time when you're not at school? Where do you stay?
I stay in Primrose.
Primrose. Um,
Yes.
what are you doing at home when you're not doing your schoolwork? Enjoying? Do you have a friends there in club in Primrose?
No, I
You
don't
don't
have
have a friend, or your friends
friends.
that used to visit you when you're at home. No, you're not visiting each other.
Because the other one stays at
Far away.
Klepper Park and the
Okay.
other one stays at Tembisa. The
Mhm.
other one stays at Johannesburg.
Okay, so you're far away from each other.
Yes.
So when you're at home, what are you enjoying to the games or other things that you're playing when you're off at school?
I play games. I also borrow my mom's phone
Playing
to
games.
chat with my friends.
And what?
And if if my mom is using the phone, I used to take my books, then I study.
Oh,
Yes.
so how was your day today? Is your birthday day
It was
celebrations?
fun.
Did your friends visit you
Nope.
on your birthday? No? Why? You
Because I
never
didn't
invited
tell
them.
them.
Didn't invite them.
Yeah, because we stay far from each other.
Oh,
And
okay.
today there is church.
Okay. So we visited you to help you with celebrations of your birthday.
It's my uncle's
Your uncle staying where?
at Elandsfontein and Osset Primrose.
Okay. So how can you tell us about your day today?
My day was fun.
Mm. Your
They
celebration the whole
they
day.
even gave me presents.
They didn't give you present.
They gave me present.
Oh,
Mhm.
how many they give you present? Your uncle?
No, they just give me money.
Oh, your uncle, your mother, your brother.
My uncle gave me 10 rand. My other uncle gave me 50 rand.
Mm.
And my mom the other day she gave me 20 rand.
20 rand.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this station we awarded you with a pair of shoes to wear at school with your interview that we did with you. You awarded yourself with a pair of shoes at school.
School shoes.
Yes, a pair of shoes. How do you say about it? How do you feel?
I feel happy.
You feel happy?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Eh,
Eh? Lenny, Lenny.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. It was a good day for you.